Hey, greetings everybody. Bringing you a fireplace surround project that my wife and I recently completed with the GenStone Keystone product. To begin with, we ordered 4 or 5 different samples, and they were all shipped and received pretty quickly, and that allowed us to get moving on our project pretty good. When we moved into this home a year or two ago, it was surrounded with large, kind of fake boulders and an elevated hearth. We elected to remove both of those and go with the Keystone color. We started by framing out the area with these shop-made posts, and then filled in the area with the Keystone product. A couple items probably worth pointing out is along the left and the right, we used the returns, and we simply cut off the return edge with a table saw. So we did that on both the left and the right-hand side. The other thing that I thought was kind of innovative that we did is we essentially cut a piece of quarter round out of some of the scrap panels to cover that otherwise plain edge. But overall, I think we were really happy with the support we got from our advisor at GenStone, and would certainly consider using the product again for a future home improvement project.